Alright, so I already started doing some work on this. It's a pretty simple idea. Basically I have a bunch of these, but all of them are on quads at the moment. So I bought a spare one off of RC Groups for 10 bucks. It was used from some guy. So I think I just want to really crudely stick it on my DJI Phantom. And I know, especially this is the DJI Phantom 3 standard. This doesn't have the light bridge system. So the FPV works well for photography, but it's quite laggy. I think I could do some cool flying if I stuck a full speed analog FPV camera on there. So I'm literally just going to stick it on there. Got a little 600 milliamp 1S. So let's do it. Alright, so I got a little JST plug in here. Now I just need to mount everything. Alright, so I plugged it in just to test it, and it does in fact work. I'm gonna try it in this current position, pointed right on top. I actually think it looks kind of cool. You can see the props spinning around in view. Obviously I can't see a lot like out in front, but we're gonna try it. I think the best spot is probably right on the front here. This is really easy to do, so this will be phase 1. Alright, it definitely does not look nice and it's not gonna last for too long, but for a few quick flights, I think this should be good. I've just got this LiPo double-sided taped on there, ran the wire down with some duct tape, and it plugs in there like that. So let's give it a try and see how everything goes. Alright, Phantom is out there, camera is mounted, recording the DVR on my goggles. I've got the footage here on my monitor, phone and controller are set up. I'm going to start recording, and I guess we will see how it goes.